Gumising na ako. Hi, if you're a breastfeeding and pumping mama like me, then this lactation massager from Mom Cozy is for you. So you can either buy the one with 2 pieces inside, or you can also just buy 1 piece only. So inside the package, it comes with a charger, instruction manual, and it also has the bag. What I like about this, cause it has 6 different vibration settings, as well as 6 different heat settings. And here's the back, you can see the charging port, so it's rechargeable. So this really helps with engorgement and clogged ducts. The material is made out of silicone, so it's very soft. So you can choose which side you want to massage your boobies with, so the upside or the downside. How you use it and what I do is just like this in an upward and downward motion. So I just do this. And I can also use the other side like this as well. Not to mention, the design is also curved, so it easily cups your breast like this. It's very easy, just insert it in your bra like this while it's in vibration or heat mode. I use this every day, it really helps. I wear it before pumping or before I let him breastfeed on my boobies. It's very helpful to me because I get clogged ducts a lot. So I just insert it in my bra and put it on heat mode and the vibration settings that I like before he latches on me and also before I pump. As you can see, there are buttons here in which you can adjust your heat and vibration settings to your liking. Even when I go out, it's very easy lang to take with you. Just put them in the bag, store it, and throw it in your bag. I turned it on. It's on vibration and heat mode right now, and I just pop it in my bra like this. It's that easy. So the heat and vibration actually helps break down your clogged ducts. And it also can help with your milk secretion and help with your letdown. So I really recommend this product. It has been really helpful jud to me. Like honestly lang yun because I get clogged ducts a lot. I will post the link down below and also in the caption. Balik ugma or else ikaw na'y sumpay.